Hey guys, welcome back to my Java tutorial series. We on the last episode we covered system.out.println and hello world. So that's very basic. And so from that we're going to move to the next bit, second episode, which is uh, was it variables? How they work? What are they? Um, so and they're mainly, I believe they're called types. I don't quote me on that. Yes, types. So in Java there are three primitive types. There's int, double, and boolean. Boolean. All right, ignore the red lines. I'm just typing them out. Then there's another type, which is it's actually an object string. You can tell a string is an object because it starts with a cap. Anytime something like that starts with a capital letter, that it's an object. So these are all primitive types except for string. And there is other things like long and everything, and that's for really big integers, but because Java, I don't know what the exact limit is, but I know that has a limited on the doubles and the ints of how big they can be. So if you look in, for example, in my game that I'm making, when I created my game loop, if you notice when I'm grabbing the system.nanotime, it's a long compared to an int. So we're going to start with some examples of what they are and how they work. So first thing you want to go over is syntax before anything, because yeah. So let's do a syntax for an int. So if you're declaring an int, so you type int, then you name the int number equals 1. Now an int is a number without decimals. And then like I said, there's a max number on it. I have no idea what it is. It's some huge ridiculous number. I doubt you're ever going to hit it. And if you do, just use a long. Um, so there's int number and equals 1. So basically what we've done is we've declared what type it is. So the computer's like, okay, it's an integer variable. Then it goes to number, and it says, okay, so its name is number, and then number is assigned to the number 1. Then what we can do is, if we want to declare a double, so a double is a decimal number. I know it sounds really weird. When I was first learning Java, I was like, weird, why didn't they just do it like decimal or something? I get it, it's cool. So we're going to name this number 2 equals 5.6. And we're going to end the line like usual. Then we're going to create the next one, which is a Boolean value. Equals. Now, a Boolean value is a true or false. It's only two possibilities. You will use Boolean values a lot in if statements, while loops, stuff like that. That we'll cover in the future. So we'll do true for now. Or you can set it to null or whatever and then reassign it later. And then the third one, which is fourth one, which is an object, like I said, string. So equals, and that's just words. Like literally it's just text. So hi. So there you go. So we've declared 4 variables now, and they're all attached to identifiers, which are the words that we've named. So what we can do next is we can go to system.out.println, and we can just run number. So there we go. So now if we run this, it'll print out 1. Because what the computer's doing is, like I said, it's running this main method saying, okay, they're all my variables that are declared, and saying, okay, system.out.println, all right, we need to print out this variable. And then it references back. It's like, sweet, I'm gonna print that out now. What is my computer doing? Oh shit! What is happening? That's weird. Is like something happening? I don't know why this is happening. I kind of want to kill it. At the same time, I don't. That's weird. I don't know what I did. But anyway, I'll continue my explanation while this figures its life out. So you see down here where it's referenced that. We can type in any one of these and it will print it out. And this is really helpful for storing stuff. And it's really helpful. It gets a lot more, what am I saying? Eventually we'll get to arrays, and that will be your new method of storage. And if you're anything like me, you'll think that's stupid, and then you'll actually learn it and be like, wow, this is really useful. Anyway, for the sake of this, we're just going to kill it. Okay, there we go. So, yeah, so that's like a good insight of how to assign variables, what they are, what they do, and they can be used for stuff. There we go. Anyway, so then now there's another thing that you can do with this. So like, let's say you want to print out something using multiple variables. Uh, in the system.out.print line, if you put plus and then put bool, or shit, that's not the right. That is not the right syntax. Hold on. There's a syntax for it. Is it a comma? No, I'm being really stupid. Is it a plus and a comma? No. What is this? Why does it not like that? I never use this. Like I used it actually once in my space game. Let me see. I did it for the FPS counter. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, no. What the hell is this? It's a plus. The fuck do you want from me? Well, let's try putting words in there. Now that's okay. I don't know why that didn't work. Usually you can just input stuff, but worst case you just do that for a space, I guess. Yeah, sorry about that. That was weird. Do not know why I didn't know that. Yeah, so now anyway, um, if you print this out now, it will print true 1. And yeah, so like you can just put a space there like that and then run it and there's your space. So there you go. And you can combine multiple ones. I believe you can also do stuff like this. Like if you you can do basic arithmetic. So like if we do number plus number 2. Yeah, that's why I was complaining because I thought I was trying to add the two together and that's different type. There you go, 6.6. And what you can even do is with this double right here, you can do something called casting. And you can cast that to an int and it will round it. Giving you, yeah, there you go. It'll actually just, I don't believe it'll round up, it'll just always round down. But yeah, there you go. So you just cast this to an int and now it comes out just as a solid number. So yeah, so I hope this was informal. You guys got something out of this. The next episode, I believe we're going to go over if statements. Yeah, that's probably where I'm going to go. Don't quote me on that, though. I may do something else because I may be like, oh, we need to go over that first. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe.